This video is going to be about why your last minute preparations are very important, and I have only 2 points for you to keep in mind. Number one point is whether or not you should be worrying as to what you remember and what you don't remember in the last minute. I would say that in the 5 or 6 months of your preparation, the first 3 or 4 months were towards your qualitative preparation, where you give the maximum time to each and every topic and concept to understand and to memorize things. But this is not the time you test your memory. If you feel that looking at a book you're not able to recollect the answer or you're not able to tell all the points, this is not the time you worry. The fact that you underestimate your short-term memory is your problem right now. The last 10 days of your exams are very important. You having complete coverage of the subject is more important than you remembering 60 marks in the last 10 days. Because you don't realize this, when you write your exam, you will automatically get the points. As soon as you start writing, your hand will already give you the points. So strive to do all the chapters of the subject, because you will be able to score in your MCQs. You'll be able to write 4 marker short answers, and those are the real marker points. This is where you actually steal 40 marks in your exam, writing the MCQs well and doing the 4 marks questions, not the 12 mark question, because once you go wrong with your 12 mark questions, you will barely get 3 to 4 marks. The 4 marker questions are normally easier and are much easier to answer also. That is, the time to write that answer is lesser. So your focus should be in covering all the chapters possible even now and 1.5 days before your exam. No matter what you do not sit down and think about what you remember or not. Do not sit down and recall section 188 whether you remember all the points or not. Read through section 188 rather, read twice and just move on with the next section. Do not waste your time in these days. This is not the time you start memorizing things. And the second point is very special, because it is all about why your last minute preparation matters, why giving 200% in your last 10 to 20 days can make you clear your examinations. And I have got a real good example for you. I have a very old friend, her name is Niveda, and she's with me today to shoot, so we'll hear it from her as to what she has to say about last 10 days preparation.
Hi guys, this is Niveda. I'm a chartered accountant and I have cleared my CA finals in the recent Jan 2021 attempt. So I'm here to share my story of how I cleared my CA finals. So I was preparing for my May 2020 attempt. You all must be knowing, because of COVID, there was a lot of postponements. So every other day there were IC notifications, indicating the postponements. So it was very difficult to take it because I had to keep changing my timetable every now and then. It was really hard, but I kept motivating myself, and it just went on. So finally, the November 2020 attempt was happening. So I started giving my examinations. But during the second exam, which was SFM, the paper was very hard. And after coming out of the exam hall, I realized that I'm not going to make it. So soon after that, I decided that it is better for me to opt out. So as soon as I came to my home, I opted out. But later on, I started to regret. Probably I shouldn't have opted out, because it had become even more difficult for me to concentrate and keep myself motivating. It was very hard. At one point of time, it became very frustrating as well, because for the past 1 year I was only preparing. So at one point of time, I just used to open my book and keep dreaming. So that's what I was doing. That went on for many days, and one day my dad came to me and he told me that this is not going to work out. If you're going to keep continuing like this, then probably you're not going to make it. And he kind of motivated me a lot, and he also told me about the last minute preparations, how important it is. So he also made it very clear that if I'm not going to continue giving my best in the last few days, then all the hard work that I have done till now will go in waste. So that's when I realized that, probably I should not be giving up in the last moment, and I should be, in fact, giving my best in the last few days. So immediately I started my preparation. I started giving my best, and the exams days were coming closer. It was going very good, and the exam started, and it was going on really well. Sorry. Before the last three exams, Devendra visited my home. He had come to my home to tell me that that he had cleared his examinations, which he had written in November 2020 attempt. So I was more than happy to hear that, and he also told me that how his last two subjects helped him score in the aggregate, and eventually he cleared. So he told that the last few days that he just slept for 2-3 hours, and that made him help him clear. So that made me realize that probably I'm not giving my 100%. Probably I could even stretch even more than my capabilities are much more than what I was thinking. So I started pushing myself more harder, and I also slept for just 2-3 hours for the last three subjects. So for all these results, for all these efforts that I have taken, I saw it on my result day. I cleared with by scoring 400 out of 800, and more importantly, I scored more in the last three subjects, which made me clear both the groups, because in the group 1 I didn't score in the aggregate. So this is my story. The reason behind why I'm sharing this story is I don't want you guys to give up in the last moment, because I had told you how important it is to maintain your consistency in the last minute. It is very important, because if you're going to give up in the last moment, then all your hard work till now is going to go in waste. So all the very best, guys, and thank you. Yeah, so I'm going to share my story of how sorry, I wait, you can keep that thing. You please go off. Oh my God.
Why me sitting here is a problem?
Yes.
Seriously?
Huh.
You want me to go? Wait, I have to think of a transition.